one more alphabet and one more sound today. Okay? But before starting that, can anyone tell me what is the day today? So class, today is 24th December 2020 and the day is Thursday. Yes. So can anyone tell me what is tomorrow? Tomorrow is Christmas. Very good. And you all are having a holiday also. कल सबकी छुट्टी भी है, isn't it? So class, it's a really very good that we are having a off tomorrow, but that doesn't mean that you will not do your work. Okay? So you have to do your some practice work also tomorrow, and yes, you can enjoy your Christmas as well. You can have yummy cakes, muffins and hot chocolates. Okay class? So now let's begin with the topic today. Can anyone tell me what are the pictures that I have drawn on board? Can you identify these pictures and tell me what pictures are these? Any one of you, yes? Start identifying these pictures. What pictures are these? First one, can you tell me what is this? It's an, hurry up, it's an umbrella. Very good. So when and why we use this umbrella? कब और क्यों यूज करते हैं हम इस umbrella को? Yes, hurry up. We use it in rainy season. Yes. We use it in rainy season. When तो पता लग गया. Why we use it? It protects us from rain. आपको पता है we use this umbrella in summers also. जो बहुत तेज sun होता है ना, तो what we do, we use this umbrella, we open it and it protects us from those harsh sun rays. जो बहुत तेज धूप लगती है जिससे हमें बहुत irritation हो जाती है, we feel allergic to it. तो अगर हम umbrella use करते हैं तो वो हमें sun से भी बचाती है. Clear? So one is umbrella. Now what picture is this? What is it? It's a vase? Okay, yes. It looks like a vase, but basically we call it urn. U-R-N. What we call it? An urn. अब आपको पता है इसको urn कैसा होता है? उसकी शेप वास जैसी ही होती है. It's a pot. ये छोटा सा मटका होता है, but this pot is made of metal. ठीक है? मेटल से बना होता है. तो वास क्या होता है? कांच का होता है, वो ग्लास का बना होता है, वो गिरता है तो टूट जाता है. Then pot is made of mud. मटका जो होता है वो मिट्टी से बना होता है. So this is something which looks like a vase. वो हमें वास की तरह दिखता है. We use it as a decoration for putting flowers or something, but this urn is made of metal. Is that clear? तो जो metal वाला होता है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? We call it an urn. Clear? अब देखो next picture. What is this? ये तो ladder है. L for ladder, ladder. We have learned it. But can you see something on the ladder here? Ball. Yes. अब ये ball कहाँ पे रखी हुई है? आप ऊपर रखी है ना लैडर के, जो सबसे ऊपर वाला स्टेप है हमने उस पे रखी है. दैट मीन्स अप. अप यानी ऊपर हो गया. अप इन द स्काई. ऊपर आसमान में. वी ऑलवेज से ना एरोप्लेन फ्लाइज अप इन द स्काई. इजंट इट? तो वेयर इट इज? अप ऑन द लैडर. अप. अप मतलब ऊपर. सो अगेन व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू से दिस? अप. अब मतलब आपका मतलब क्या होता है? ऊपर. यस, ऊपर हो गया. सो व्हाट alphabet I have written here? We have same alphabet written here also. We have same alphabet written here also. So which alphabet actually we are talking about? Can you tell me? So this is capital. Which alphabet we are talking about? Alphabet U. Very good. तो हम U कैसे लिखते थे? या while you are playing तो आपकी जो बॉल है या कोई भी टॉय है वो टेबल के नीचे चला जाता है, तो what we call that? अब ये ऐसे रोल करते करते टेबल के नीचे चली गई. So what you are going to call it? Where is your ball? Under the table. Under. Under क्या हो गया? जो नीचे होता है. So what we are going to call it? We are going to call it under. समझ में आया? Under. Under का मतलब होता है नीचे, किसी चीज के नीचे. Similarly, we have undergarments. Like one, you all wear something under your shirt. Shirt के नीचे मम्मा आपको कुछ पहनाती है, your vest. आप वेस्ट पहनते हो. So what is that? That is your undergarment. Clear? Under मतलब जो नीचे होता है. So this ball is under the table. We have undergarments. The garments that we wear under our clothes. अब ये clothes के अंदर जो पहनते हैं, those are called undergarments. Then we have umbrella. We have on, up, under. So when we are saying all these words again and again, can you tell me what sound is coming to you? Yes? Let's speak these words once again. We have umbrella, umbrella, earn, earn. We have up, up. Then we have under, under. Under is नीचे, under, under the table. Up in the sky, up. Then we have earn, umbrella. So what sound is clicking to your ears? आपके कान में क्या sound आ रही है? Which is the first sound coming to you? You have to tell me that. Hurry up. Tell me the first sound coming to you. कान में एक आवाज आती है ना, when again I am saying them. Umbrella, umbrella, earn. Then we have up, under. कुछ something same आपकी आवाज, same sound, कुछ something same है, एक ऐसी sound है जो same है and it is every time coming to us, and that is also the beginning, सबसे पहली sound. What is that sound coming to you? Yes? Very good. So what sound is coming to you? Sound So the sound of alphabet U is अभी इससे क्या सीखा था हमने? अनार, अनार. सेम अब देखो, umbrella, 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 earn, earn. Then we have up. Then we have under, युंडर तो नहीं बोलते यू के लिए, यूम्ब्रेला तो नहीं बोलते. जब हम इसको वैसे सिर्फ अल्फाबेट रिकॉग्नाइज करते तो हमने सीखा यू. हमने यम्ब्रेला तो नहीं बोला, यू से हम क्या बोलते हैं? अम्ब्रेला. सो दैट मीन्स द साउंड ऑफ अल्फाबेट यू इज अ. व्हाट इज द साउंड? umbrella, earn, up, under. Clear? Okay, now let's see how we are going to write the cursive alphabet U, and the sound is See, lower case alphabet है, lower case line से शुरू करेंगे, lower line से go up, same ऊपर जाना है वापस. अब ये देखो, जैसे हमने कैपिटल यू बनाया था, लेकिन हम उसकी स्टार्टिंग में और एंडिंग में टेल्स बनाएंगे. सो हियर वी आर गोइंग टू बिगिन. कम डाउन, वापस जाइए एंड लाइक दिस, like this. Clear? So this is, you have to touch it here like this. Understood? Once again, what it is? Umbrella, earn, up, under. Is that clear to everyone? The sound of alphabet U is umbrella, earn, Okay, so in book you have to open page number 50. Book page number 50 and 52. So open these two pages and let's see how we are going to do our classwork and homework. Okay? So class, let's see our today's classwork. When you will open your English book on page number 50, you will find the topic A. So we are always pronouncing these alphabets with their sound when we are talking for lowercase alphabets. So write down your date for today, 24 December 2020, and mention classwork. So one is you have to trace this alphabet with finger and then color it. Understood? Then color the umbrellas with letter U and capital and A written on them. So now you have to color those umbrellas which are having U and A written in it. Clear? Now moving to the next one, we have on page number 52, you will find trace and write the letters. So A, undergarments, A, umbrella, A, up. So now you have to trace alphabet A in your book here. And yes, of course, write today's date as well. Clear? This is how. Now what is your today's homework? So today we are going to practice writing A in our notebook. U says A, umbrella, A, urn. Clear? So let us first write down our today's date. 24th December 2020. And what we are going to mention in the notebook? Homework. So like this, write HW. Clear? So now you have to draw something else. Other pictures a part of this. ये तो मैम को आता है, मैम ने ड्रॉ किया है. अब आपको क्या करना है? आपको कुछ न्यू ढूंढना है. Clear? Something new which you are going to draw here. Now let's start writing this alphabet. Now see closely all of you how we are going to write this alphabet in notebook. Okay beta? Now can you see I have some dots here. अब ये dots कहाँ पे हैं? Where are these dots? Lower blue line. ये देखो नीचे वाली जो blue line है, second वाली, इसको हम कहते हैं lower blue line. So now we are going to begin. Keep your pencil on this dot. Go up. Make a U like this. ठीक है? एक tail बनाना है. फिर हमें normally U लिखना है और उसकी छोटी सी leg बाहर निकलेगी. Again, tail के साथ start करिए and take out a small leg. तो अब आप देखेंगे that when we are writing this cursive alphabet, we are writing it only between the two blue lines. कहाँ लिख रहे हैं हम? दोनों blue lines के बीच में. See again. Like this. Once again. Like this. See. This is how you are going to write. There is no difference between capital and small. अब आप यहाँ देखिए. कैपिटल और स्मॉल में फॉर्मेशन में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. ओनली ये पूरा ऊपर टच कर रहा है, दिस विल नॉट. और यहाँ पे हमें एक टेल और एक छोटी सी लेग बनानी है इसकी बस. क्लियर? यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट दिस. लेट्स सी वंस अगेन. गो अप. दिस इज हाउ you will practice your alphabet. The sound A in your notebook today. A, umbrella. A, urn. Then we have up, अब मैम ने पूरा पी लिखना शुरू कर दिया, सॉरी, आई विल रेज इट, मैम अप ही लिखने वाले थे यहाँ पे। ओके, देन वी हैव अंडर, like this you are going to practice your alphabet for the one whole page. Clear everyone? See carefully, इतना ही beautifully आपको ये work करना है। And again I am saying you, जो pictures मैम ने बनाई हैं, you will not draw these pictures, आप ये नहीं बनाएंगे, you have to search something new and then you are going to draw that. Okay, don't copy ma'am's work today. आज आपको कुछ new बना के दिखाना है मैम को, ठीक है बच्चा? Understood your work for today, homework and classwork? So class, understood how to write your cursive alphabet? A umbrella, a urn, up, under. अब देखो मैम को तो यही 4 याद आते हैं, आप बताइए और क्या होते हैं? So you have to share some pictures in your notebook. जैसे आप वर्क करेंगे तो आज आपको क्या करना है, इन 4 pictures के अलावा you have to search something new related to your alphabet. Draw it, color it, practice writing your alphabet and share your homework in that way. Clear? With this, you also have to revise your phonic rhyme. Clear? So, homework and classwork both clear to you? Then it's time to finish your work, share it and get ready for the next class. Bye. Take care.